गोय फोंडकुलां मुक्त न्हय तर कांय कडेन रस्तो मुक्त जाला. रस्तेच ना जाल्या. आयज ह्या खातीर लोकांक खूब त्रास जाता. भौशीक बांदकाम खातें ह्या विशयाचेर कांयच उलोवपाक तयार ना. फोंडकुलां मुक्त रस्ते हाचे कडेन जावपाचे ना. सरकारान ह्या खातीर कितें तरी बेगीनाच उपाय काडपाक जाय म्हूण विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमांव उलयला. RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
You think Goa can be pothole free with the amount of thing? Are Goa is road free, pothole free, road free. रस्ते नाही सारखे, pothole सोड, रस्ते नाही. आणि तेजे तो उलोवपाक सोदना. आमी जेन्ना PWD डिमांड धाडले, आमी the major reason, one of the reason is because of the underground cabling work that is happening across the state. नाव रिइन्स्टेटमेंट म्हणटाय ते क्लॉज आसपाक जाय. रॉस फोड्या पोचोन करूं जाय न्हू. रॉस ते करूंसोच नाय. And this is going to be thousands of crores is required for this across the state. Pothole सोड, pothole मोठे ते हॉट मोठे बॉन ते जावपाचे ना हेकडे. तेच भायर रस्ते आज जे पाड जाले, ज्या लोकांक त्रास जाले, ज्या स्पायनल इंजरीज जे जातात, there are road accidents, deaths that are happening, and he has opened his eyes. एक meeting गेल्ली त्याने मुखेलमंत्री. I just saw it. I hope this is not just an eye wash. पाना पुसपाचो प्रयत्न न्हू. हांव म्हाका तरी तर ह्या इंजिनियराचेरूय कसलोच विश्वास ना. Because there also there is basically what stopped them from seeing that there are potholes? Why does the chief minister need to give them direction? ते कितें न्हिदोन आसले? इतले म्हयने न्हिदोन आसले? आणि it is a criminal offense if these contractors, especially electric contractors, have dug off the roads during the monsoon, not done anything about it. It is like a death trap. It is a death trap for innocent citizens of Goa, and there are several deaths reported. So हेजेर हुई ना हुई या सरकारान ताबडतोब हेजेर म्हाका दिसता you have to get a solution. These bad roads, forget hot day, these bad roads all across the state have to be done urgently. आणि quality defect liability period mo एक shocking defect liability period mo एक clause असता where the contractor is taken at task. I had asked this that when Nilesh Kabral was the PWD minister. To tell you a fact, at that time they said only 2 contractors had given bad quality. You feel 2 contractors in the entire state or every road is of bad quality? So under defect liability period, that contractors have to be basically blacklisted and made sure that they do it from their own funds rather than spending more public money.